Hey guys, it's me Veronica and welcome back to my channel. If you guys haven't noticed, this will be an unboxing. I found some more Jujubee items for really good prices off of Amazon, and they just got delivered not that long ago, and I'm just so anxious, and I just want to share my excitement with you guys. I don't know how the print placement is going to be. So this is gonna be basically kind of like a live video and first impressions, because this is gonna be my first time getting a particular print. So we'll see how that looks in person. But if you're interested in watching me unbox these, I have two boxes. If you're interested in watching me unbox this, then stay tuned. Sorry about that, my camera cut off on me. I don't know. I need to probably put my phone on Do Not Disturb. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, this is super cute. Okay, so you guys, in my last video, well, my last before last video, when I purchased my very first mini bee, I had to get another one. So I found another one for a really good price off of Amazon. And what is this sticking? Oh. And I decided to get one for my 3-year-old son. I think he is going to love this. This is my first sushi cars. I don't own anything in this print, so this is my first time ever seeing this in real life, and this is super cute. Wow. I wish I knew all the names of the characters on here, but here's so that you guys get a little glimpse. See what we have on the pocket. Oh, look at the cute little monkey. That is so adorable. See on this pocket. I mean, overall, this is so adorable. I'm just obsessed with Tokidoki in general, so I know he's gonna love this. All right, let me see this lining. Oh wow, that is very green. Cute. I think he'll love it. He doesn't even know that I got him this. I told him I got him a little surprise. So I can't wait to give this to him. This is so cute. And it was a really good deal. Oh my gosh, I couldn't pass it up, y'all. I had to jump on that deal. Okay, and then the second box I have is a bigger box. It's not heavy, but it's definitely heavier than the other one. And this one, I can see why they put this one in a bigger box, and you'll see why in a second. As soon as I cut this open. Maybe I should have did this off camera, because I wanted this to be a really quick video, because I don't have that much battery life. And I have to make dinner. Sandy is right in the front. Oh, I can't wait to open this. I know, I'm just extra. I love my BRBs, and I found this one on Amazon for $59, guys. Oh my gosh, so cute. I know I'm being so extra right now, but this is so cute. I couldn't pass it up, Iconic 2.0 is really definitely growing on me. I have it in a mini bee, I have a quick, and now I have a BRB. I just could not pass it up. I love my BRBs. And now I have another one. And I do have a video, I'll probably link it in the description box below, of the first BRB that I purchased. I use that as a school book bag too, so I'll put that video down there below, because I did a packing video for that for school. That lining is just so purple. I said so purple. It's not really purple or blue. It's like a royal purple blue. A blurple. But this is so cute. And I have Miss Sandy right in the front, guys. My favorite Tokidoki character, as you can tell. Brand new. Wow. Okay. I'm in awe. I'm happy with what I got. Ooh, boxes dropped over here. I want to say thank you guys for watching this video. Like I said, I just wanted to share my excitement. I just got these boxes not too long ago, so I was just like, you know what, let me just film the video because I cannot wait any longer. I want to see what these look like, especially this one. This is my first time ever seeing sushi cars in person, and I love it. I think it's just so freaking adorable. So I will see you guys in the next video, and you guys take care. Have a good week. Bye.